Hi, I'm Michael with Lampride Service. Today we're going to take a look at our driveline options for our single spindle cutters. We have two options. We have a slip clutch driveline, which if you get onto our Lampride Service channel, you'll be able to find where you can do slip clutch maintenance. And we also have a shear bolt driveline that you can use. They're held on by two different style of bolts. Let's go ahead and take a look at those two bolts now. For a shear bolt driveline, you're going to have a grade 2 bolt. So that way, if you get into trouble, it will shear the bolt and not do damage to your cutter. On the slip clutch, you have a grade 8 bolt, so it will hold the slip clutch in place and the slip clutch will slip to save the cutter. Now let's take a look at where they attach on the cutter. Now we're here at the cutter, at the gearbox and our safety cone. On the side of our safety cone, we have access points, which is where we will attach our drivelines. All you have to do is pop out these little cutouts, and this gives you access to where we're going to bolt on. Now we're going to remove this shielding for this demonstration only. So now we have our slip clutch driveline installed here. With the cover on, it makes it harder to access this slip clutch to do your maintenance. So it's a lot easier if you open your access hole, remove your grade 8 bolt that's holding it onto the gearbox, and you can slide it out, and then you can get to your grease zerd a lot easier and do your slip clutch maintenance. So now we have our shear bolt driveline attached. It's held on by our grade 2 bolt. There's a grease zerd on top, so we need to make sure that our input shaft is always well greased so that if you do shear your shear bolt, it doesn't gold up the input shaft. Keep in mind that this shear bolt driveline has a snap ring on the end of the input shaft to hold it in place so that it won't come off when you do shear a shear bolt. Once you do shear a shear bolt, you will have to line your holes back up inside here and knock out the old grade 2 bolt so that you can install a new grade 2 bolt. Thank you for watching Lampride Service Channel, and thank you for buying Lampride.